Hello, in front of me I've got MG3. In this video I'll show you how to enable adaptive cruise control. To activate and use adaptive cruise control, firstly, fasten the seatbelt, start the car and shift to D. Next, start driving and then press this button. Now, you can use this button to increase or decrease speed. You can use these buttons to change distance from the following car. To disable steering assist, press this button again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.